the resource outside for graphic design is slightly expensive than how much it costs in India. So it's easier to get clients from there, and now we have like solid resource here, like very good designers. So are people actually capitalizing on something like that? What's the landscape of design in India like right now?
तू पहले ही नैरो कर दिया, तूने क्वेश्चन पूछा ग्राफिक डिजाइन.
Graphic design.
There's already an labor arbitrage happening in India for many other things.
Okay.
TCS Infosys क्या है? So you can easily extend it to the world of design.
No, not everybody knows ना. We don't
हाँ,
have podcast to inform people.
अच्छा भाई.
मुझे पता नहीं है क्या.
हाँ, so TCS Infosys भाई अपने सेंसेक्स में सब टॉप कंपनीज हैं और वो लेबर आर्बिट्राज करती हैं. वो बाहर की कंपनीज के साथ काम करती है. इंडिया में टैलेंट है सारा, उनको सिखाती है और वहाँ पे सर्विसेज करती है. They're not tech companies.
Right.
And then you can extend the same thought process to the world of design.
So it's happening. Are you doing it in real life?
We're doing it. Many people are doing it.
Because I know you service a lot of global clients, right? Like international clients, outside of India. Are you doing the same currently, or do you think like the D2C market in India is fairly large that you're able to like?
So we're working with Indian clients for now. We're very young as well.
Right.
And we're just like figuring out how to like tap into this, but yeah, like it's definitely like a space that we're looking at, though it does sort of become like, till you like establish your creds and become like an agency that's been around for a while or done something, it becomes like, you know, Indians have a bad rep.
Yeah.
It's like
so that's the snag, because you're now fighting on price.
Yeah.
So you're always the bottom shelf option.
Correct.
That's not where we want to be as Indians.
Okay. No, I
हाँ, so
completely
मतलब
agree.
resource, of course, we probably अपने sales pitch में होगी that अच्छा last slide पे, okay, we do this great work, but then we'll keep your procurement team also happy.
Yeah.
But that shouldn't be the first slide, is what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
So you're doing that arbitrage, but then do it sensibly. You should sell top services regardless.
Yeah, you're doing a lot of work with like global clients.
Yeah.
Right? What's the difference between dealing with an Indian client?
भाई कान बंद कर लेते हैं देसी clients. So they're pretty, मतलब the work culture different है.
Yeah.
So पता ही यार, तुम बताओ ना थोड़े देसी client stories बताओ please.
DesiClientStories.com.
और clientsifired.com ये भी हो सकता है. That could be a good reel of stories. Anand,
Or what are just like hurdles that you faced or
with desi clients?
with starting out in design and talking to desi clients?
Here, if you're selling a lot on not on merit. मतलब you need, तुम्हें दिखाना पड़ता है भाई तुमने ये भी कर रखा है, इसके लिए भी काम कर रखा है, उसके लिए भी काम कर
तो merit ही होता है वो.
Merit तो चलो, it's a part of merit, but then they don't have the skills to test you out on the spot whether you're good at it or not.
So, but they're not designers. They can't possibly.
But
test
then
you out.
exactly that's the missing link.
Yeah.
That if a big company is putting out an RFP or a request for proposal, at least जो जिस बंदे को डिजाइन आता है उस कंपनी में वो तो बनाए. देसी RFPs कुछ और ही होते हैं.
क्या होते हैं?
कुछ भी किसी ने कुछ भी लिख दिया भाई.
थोड़ा कुछ बता.
ChatGPT बनाता है.
हाँ, ChatGPT. तो you know that even if you're working with a big brand, there needs to be someone inside who at least understands your craft or your side of the story.
Yeah.
And that's the missing
that's
link.
what I try to sell with like my consultancy as well.
इसने
Right?
plug मार दिया.
नहीं, but like that's what I'm telling you. Pew pew pew. In a lot of companies, half the fucking problem will be solved if they have someone inside that understands what these agencies are doing.
Yeah.
And just help them like strategize better.
So that's where then
that 50 deliverable problem is solved.
100%.
Yeah.
Then you don't spend a lot of time in client education, right? They know जो भी हो. But again, different spaces will
मैं
be.
तो पैसे मांग लेता हूँ client education के.
हाँ भाई, best.
Discovery बोलते हैं इसको.
Best. So we were working with a Chennai parts manufacturer, and they insisted on मतलब UI UX को उन्होंने कुछ market value से graphic design के quotes निकाले और उससे anchor कर दिए थे उन्होंने. And through the whole proposal process, they insisted कि graphic design के rates लगेंगे इधर, UI UX के नहीं लगेंगे. Which in the market traditionally UI UX would be charged a little more.
Yeah.
So it was really hard to then wedge them off, shake them up. भाई के ये graphic design मतलब ग्राफिक डिजाइन अलग चीज है, ये
हमें
अलग
तुच्छ
चीज है।
प्राणी बोल रहा है।
हाँ
ये हमें तुच्छ
तुच्छ प्राणी, अरे तुच्छ प्राणी नहीं बोल रहा था।
Yeah.
नहीं
No,
ग्राफिक
but
डिजाइन
both-
कर रहे थे ना हम। हाँ, तो
Both of you also do UI UX, right?
आई डोंट नो एनी ओक्स हुई।
Oops, भी नहीं किया। हाँ सो उसमें फिर स्ट्रगल हुई कि उनको ना ग्राफिक डिजाइन पता है ना ये पता है, बट बहुत बड़ा प्रोडक्शन फैसिलिटी है इंडिया का।
Yeah.
Oops.
Cheers.
Self cheers, हाँ।
No.
Dude, have a sip. You did the cheers.
Okay.
So those are some struggles, man.
Yeah.
No, I think what happens also is that no matter what price point you're playing at, इंडिया में कोई है जो 1/10 of the cost पे कर रहा है. So without like somebody at the brand's end being like कि मेरे को पता है कि क्या चाहिए or like what like I'm expecting, it's like कोई 1/10 पे कर रहा है.
हाँ.
So 1/10 वाले like you'll always be like compared to that.
Yeah. So, but because so people need to understand कि how important design is, right? Like in